Here's how you measure a population in a graph. Check this out. So what's happening here? Well, the birth rate is increasing. How do I know? Because the age is on the y-axis and the population percent is on the x-axis. Okay, cool. What does that mean? Here we have male, here we have female. What does that mean? It means that if we have a big bottom here, then we have a lot of births happening. So the birth rate is going to be this arrow here. Birth rate is going to be decreased here because as you can see, the bottom is shorter. And here the birth rate's way decreased because look at that bottom. Okay, it's super small. What about this arrow? What would that represent? That's going to represent the mortality rate. That's how often people are dying. People are dying left and right. Look, they're not even making it. They're not making it. The mortality rate is high here. Okay, so let's look at this one. How's the mortality rate? People are making it. They're fine. They're thriving. They're surviving. How about here? The mortality rate is down as well. They're doing a decent job at staying alive. Life expectancy is short over here. Check this out. You're only like 15 years old, boom, you die. Here, life expectancy is a little bit longer. Look at that. You're still alive over here. Your life expectancy is a little bit longer here. Look at that. You're alive. Okay, so the population here is going to be growing because look at that. It's like a wave coming. All these people are going to grow. They're going to have kids, etc. Here, it's going to be stable. Look at that. Nice and stable. You got a nice little birth rate. People aren't dying so frequently. And then here, the population is going to be declining because we don't have enough births, but we have a lot of old people. And so we are actually going to be seeing a decrease in the population over time. These are population pyramids. As the country proceeds to higher levels of development, birth and mortality rates will go down, changing the composition of the population. So you got to watch out for this. If it looks like this, we're on the decline. Looks like this, we're stable. Looks like this, then we are growing. Okay, that's population pyramids.